There are things that happen from time to time that no one expects. From losing a job to forgetting to fill up the gas tank before going on a long road trip. I think everyone can agree that moments like this are not ones that we're really fond of. And with the state of the world today, I cannot stress enough the importance of preparation. If you're tired of being unprepared, I'm Sophia Yisrael, and these are 10 reasons why you should prepare for everything. Number 1. Being prepared is a good habit. There's never a reason why you shouldn't have a healthy habit, especially when that habit causes you to be a more careful and calculated person. Oftentimes, we mislabel every unfortunate circumstance as being completely unpredictable. However, just preparing for the chance that something bad may happen not only decreases its likelihood, it decreases the stress that it may cause. Number 2. You'll never be caught off guard. While I admit that some surprises cannot be anticipated, I think that simply preparing your mind will take away the shock of sudden circumstances. This means going over possibilities in your mind and working things out, as mentioned in Scripture. Having at least some experience in what it takes to prepare will in turn prepare you mentally, especially when it is considered that the day's events may take an entirely different turn than what you've planned. Number 3. You can learn what it means to prepare on a large scale. With the world being in the current state that it's in, preparation is more than a precautionary measure. It is becoming a crucial step to surviving the modern age. A lot of people are not prepared for what may be the next big thing to happen in history. However, once you get into the habit of analyzing the world around you and preparing for change, you will figure out exactly how you need to begin to prepare on a large scale. Number 4. You'll pick up new skills. You will find that being prepared often means knowing how to do a lot of things on your own. Some tasks may be difficult, like changing a tire, while others may be more easy, like simple first aid. But as long as you are not prepared with the skills required for a task, it will seem like rocket science. Number 5. You will learn to turn chaos into strategy. If you're a well-calculated person, it becomes a lot easier to function in times of chaos. A sharp and ready mind is not fazed by turmoil and can navigate through it with bravery and a level head. Number 6. You can help others to prepare. If you have friends and family that are unaware of any danger in the future, you know that they are likely unprepared for it as well. That's where you come in. The mindset of preparation doesn't come easy for all, but if you have begun to prepare for a large-scale event, you can show others how to do so. However, it is important to do so without putting yourself in danger. After all, the reason why there is chaos during large-scale events is because of those who were unprepared taking advantage of those who are. Number 7. If the first plan fails, there's always a backup plan. Even the most simple plans need a fallback. People often base their plans on their hopes and dreams, focusing mostly on the if everything goes right, forgetting that everything may go wrong. If you spend too much time on plan A, you will become vulnerable if that plan should fail, because all of your energy was directed at one possible outcome of future events. That's why having a backup plan is essential, because you will already have considered that the plan may not work, therefore it won't be difficult to fall back and regroup. Number 8. You'll find it easier to be spontaneous. Many times we make plans without knowing that the circumstances will change. A new task may come up, or perhaps a surprise visit may force you to change your entire schedule. As a result, you will drag yourself through your day feeling grumpy about how things didn't go your way. But if you're used to switching it up, trying plan B or adding another element to the plan, you'll find it easier to be spontaneous, which ironically seems to be something that life requires out of us more often than not. Number 9. It will help you to organize your time. When you plan for everything, you will take into consideration the idea that something might come up and therefore leave some space on your schedule. In turn, this will make it so that nothing important is missed. This kind of organization is also a great way to combat procrastination. Number 10. Eventually, it will become part of your routine. Like I said in the beginning, there's never a reason why you shouldn't have a healthy habit. And when you've ingrained preparation into your personality by constantly preparing for what's ahead, it will begin to come naturally. For example, it won't be as hard for you to turn down the temptation to treat yourself instead of saving your money. Eventually, people will begin to commend you for your willpower, faith, and calculated approach to life. As always, thank you for your time. Share, comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time.